define your hosting needs. When it comes to creating a website, one of the most important decisions you will make is choosing the right hosting provider. Your hosting provider is responsible for storing and serving your website's files, so it is crucial to select a reliable and reputable company. In this step-by-step tutorial, we will guide you through the process of finding the perfect hosting provider for your website. Step 1. Define your hosting needs. Before you can start searching for a hosting provider, it is essential to determine your specific hosting needs. Consider the type of website you are planning to create, the expected traffic volume, and any special requirements you may have. This will help you narrow down your options and ensure that you choose a provider that can meet your needs. Step 2. Research different hosting types. There are several types of hosting available, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, and cloud hosting. Shared hosting is the most affordable option but may have limitations in terms of resources. VPS hosting provides more control and resources, while dedicated hosting offers a dedicated server for your website. Cloud hosting is flexible and scalable, making it a popular choice for growing websites. Step 3. Consider reliability and uptime guarantee. One of the most critical factors to consider when choosing a hosting provider is reliability. You want a hosting company that can guarantee a high uptime percentage, ensuring that your website is accessible to visitors at all times. Look for providers that offer at least a 99.9% uptime guarantee and have a reputation for reliable service. Reading reviews and seeking recommendations from other website owners can help you assess a provider's reliability. Make sure the hosting provider you choose has robust security measures in place, such as firewalls, malware scanning, and SSL certificates. Step 5. Consider scalability and growth potential. While your website may start small, it is essential to consider its growth potential and scalability when choosing a hosting provider. Look for providers that offer scalable plans or the ability to easily upgrade to a higher hosting tier as your website grows. This will ensure that your hosting can accommodate increased traffic and resource demands without causing any downtime or performance issues. Take into account the cost of the hosting plans, any additional fees, and the features included in each package. Consider factors such as storage space, bandwidth, email accounts, and customer support when comparing different plans. Step 7. Read customer reviews and testimonials. Before making a final decision, take the time to read customer reviews and testimonials about the hosting providers you are considering. This can give you valuable insights into the experiences of other website owners and help you make an informed decision. Look for providers with positive reviews and satisfied customers, as this is a good indication of the quality of their service. In conclusion, choosing the right hosting provider is a crucial step in creating a successful website. By defining your hosting needs, researching different hosting types, considering reliability and security, evaluating scalability, comparing pricing and features, and reading customer reviews, you can make an informed decision that will ensure your website's performance, security, and growth potential. Take the time to thoroughly research and assess different hosting providers to find the perfect fit for your website.